Hi guys, this is Morris from NGT Traders. What I'm looking at here today is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. It's a weekly chart that we have looking at here, and what I want to go through here and point out is the move that happens over the past couple months. Now we see that this move here was the first leg of the move, and this was some election move that took place around that time. So as we can see here, there's a flag pattern that has been formed so far. Now the flag pattern is known to be a continuation pattern. So the first move, the first leg of the move, and then the flag pattern, and then the break of the flag, we consider that a continuation pattern. There are several things that I'm looking at here that leads me to believe that we are back in the uptrend. We are resuming the uptrend. So looking at this here, we can see that the market gapped up from this week to this week. It gapped up real big, and then it just continued up since, and now we break out of the flag pattern. So what I'm seeing here as well is a diversion on the MACD. The MACD here is showing me a diversion on the histogram. Now what we do to identify diversion, we compare lows. So if we have a low and then we have another low, we compare those lows to identify diversion. So what we are going to do here now, we are going to compare this low here over here, all the way back here, to this previous one that is taking place. And what we are seeing here, we are going to do the same thing on the MACD histogram. This low compared to this low. So the MACD histogram here is showing me that this area here is lower than this area, and that is not true. So we know that this area is much higher than this area. So now that led me to believe we call this kind of diversion a hidden bullish diversion. So based on that hidden bullish diversion, it's kind of led me to believe that this market here is going to give us another leg to the upside. So my target area that I'm looking to see the market move is up to this 123.46 zone. So when we look at that, we're going to be looking at from where it is right now, we're going to be looking at about 1,000 pips. So the dollar yen and the weekly chart appears that it's going to move approximately 1,000 pip maybe within the next couple months. I also took a trade this morning on the US versus Japanese yen on the 15-minute chart, as we can see here. Now the trade that I took was based off of a false break and diversion. So while the market was going up, we see it pull back, and then we get a false break right here, and then a diversion follow. So we took the trade this morning at this level here, and as a matter of fact, I'm still in this trade up to this point. Now we also have a website that you could visit us. This is Morris again from NGT TradersGroup, and we look forward to see you in our next weekly review video.